Hey everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern. It is the fall of 2019 and we are having the coolest artist session. We're here with Rusty, who has taken this thing like 14 times, and you're always doing something more wonderful than the next. We had Nicholas French as a speaker a couple sessions ago, and Rusty was there and was so inspired that you then went and took his class.
Yes,
Yeah.
I took 2 classes from him, and that man is amazing. He totally revitalized my soul, and he taught me so much, and I am so excited to be here today to use what I learned from him.
Yeah, so when he taught it at our session, he gave a snippet, but you took a 5-day workshop. So this is the thing everybody's buzzing about at the session, and just tell us what this is and what you're going to do with it.
So this is something that Nick has used before, and he taught me how to make it because I was completely enthralled with it. And basically, it's horsehair. And I used some adhesive, some spray adhesive, and I took and layered it, and I used 3 different colors. I used white, gold, and violet. And so I spray each layer with adhesive, and then I use a blow dryer. And this is an amazing blow dryer we got today.
Oh, yeah, that was in the goodie bag, the Varus blow dryer. Everybody's talking about that too.
It's fantastic. Yeah. So basically what you do is you just spray it, and then you go over it with the blow dryer, and it flattens it out, and it just sticks together. I wanted to add a little bit of more detail to it, so I sprinkled a little tiny bit of glitter, and then I used some silver paint and splattered it across it, and that was my finished product. And it was super easy, and it's so much fun. It's super lightweight. It's very flexible. You can create any kind of shapes. I'm going to be creating a crown with this today, so it's totally awesome. I love this stuff.
So here's my question. How do you find a violet horse?
Well, you don't. So I went online, and I got my horsehair from an Indian reservation, and it comes pre-colored. So you have any color you want, basically.
Right. Any tips, any length of horsehair you should get?
It just comes in a package, and it's all, there's no like specific length to order.
That's so cool. I can't wait to see it.
Yeah.
Again, it's Rusty. How do we follow you?
Hair Daddy 816. Hair_Daddy 816.
I'm glad you told me that because I've been following somebody else. So.
Oh no.
And again, it's artist session. I hope you guys can come to it. Rusty has been one of our biggest fans for a while, and we're so grateful. And I can't wait to see what you're going to do with this.
I'm super excited.
All right, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yes. Beautiful.